Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a pretty big announcement. One that both excites me and also absolutely terrifies me. I am going to build a backpack. But not only that, I'm gonna bring you along for every step of the process and give you an actual say in the direction of the backpack as well. Let me explain. You see, since starting this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds of backpacks, and it's given me this internal, burning, fiery desire to make a backpack of my own. I want to make something that I'm proud of and that will bring value to other people's lives. In fact, since I've been running Nomads Nation, I've actually been secretly building my own backpack brand for a while, very secretly, but unfortunately, things didn't work out. So I've decided to start over completely from scratch, and I want you to be a part of the journey. Here's the plan. You see, most companies build their products behind closed doors, which makes sense. You kind of want to keep everything under wraps until it's ready to be seen. But for this project, I'm gonna do the complete opposite. I'm gonna document the entire process of building this backpack on the Nomads Nation YouTube channel. From day one today until the final day where we launch a Kickstarter campaign, I'm gonna bring you through every step of the process. Here's what you'll get to see. Determining the timeline and costs, building a brand, finding a backpack designer, finding a factory, trademarking, picking materials, building a prototype, prepping for Kickstarter, solidifying logistics, marketing preparation, finishing the final sample, and finally, launching. This is going to be next level transparency. You're gonna see the ups, the downs, and everything in between. But from there, I'm gonna take everything one step further. You see, since starting this channel, I have been absolutely blown away by the support and the expertise of this community. So much so that I wanna hear your thoughts about where you think this bag should go. This will all be done via the Nomads Nation newsletter. And if you're signed up to the email list, you'll get a significantly more in-depth look at the project. Think of it kind of like an inner circle. You'll get the first look at the bag, as well as access to behind the scenes content that will not be published on YouTube. And coolest of all, if you join the email list, you'll actually get a say in the direction of the bag. I'll do this by sending out surveys. That way I can hear your input on some key decisions that need to be made for the bag. This could include logo design, colors of the brand, name of the pack, key features, external materials, backpack color, pocket locations, and more. Sound cool? To sign up for the email list, simply click on the first link in the description below. It's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna be honest, this is an experiment. I have no idea what anything's gonna end up looking like. But one thing I am sure about is I'm building a backpack. It's gonna take at least a year, but I'm committed to making my dream a reality, and I really hope that you'll come along for the journey. So please, click the first link in the description to join the email list, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear any questions, thoughts, or ideas that you have. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in your inbox.